A man was crossing the street. He got hit by a car. On the way to the hospital, they said, "Did you see the license plate?" He said, "No, but I'll recognize that laugh anywhere." You know, if you do need to get a license plate but only saw a partial license plate, you could use the like command and say, listen, it started with ABC, and they could use the like command and say, where it's like ABC percent, it's going to find every license plate that starts with ABC, so you can narrow down your search. Now, I want you to imagine that I have a table for the Bureau of Motor Vehicles called my BMV table. There's 10 million license plates in this thing. Now, I'm going to create a single table join index. And as you can see here, I'm going to just select the license plate. I'm going to also get the primary index column. I would have to name that, but I just want to make sure you understand it's also important to get the primary index column. And then I'm going to use the keyword row ID. This is going to get the row ID from the base table. So in my join index, it's going to be a very thin table with just every license plate, all 10 million of them. It's going to have the primary index column, whichever one I named. And then it's going to have the row ID back to the base. So when someone runs a query and says, select everything from the BMV table where the license plates like starts with Tera and it's got a percentage, what the parsing engine's going to do is going to say, don't read the 10 million rows from the BMV table that's got 100 columns in it. Go down to the join index. And I want you to find the license plates that start with Tera. And when you find all of those rows, maybe there's 100 of them, get the row IDs in that join index and quickly go find only the rows above that qualify. That is the genius of using the row ID in your join index.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need to learn SQL for Netezza, Teradata, or Aster? Visit coffingdw.com for our helpful training guides. With Tera-Tom, SQL stands for So Quickly Learned.
Hi, this is Tom Coffing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit subscribe to make sure you are kept up to date on all our videos.